Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the TRM Shadow here with me for a quick review, but hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella, because this is a very interesting one. It's a made in US knife, it's an axis lock, it's gonna cost you around $280. It's very well made, I have to say, especially for the price, which is alright for the materials, the technology, and the designing efforts that went into making this one. This is the TRM3 reverse manufacturing knife made in US. As you can see, it has a 20 CV steel blade, which is the equivalent of the M390 bowler. It has kind of like a full integral G10 set of scales. I'm not that, you see, look at this line, there's kind of like a gap here, and the chamfering, as you can see on this scale and on that scale, it's just not matching. So, I mean, I wasn't like extremely pleased with the fit and finish. What I was pleased with was the action, because this thing is just snappy. It's playful. It's fidgety. It like thumb stud opening action is great. You can spidey flick this. It's an axis lock, so yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Also, what I was surprised positively with was the ergos. Really cool ergos, very comfy in the hand. I love the rounded back of the handle. Very good finger groove. Amazing, fully functional finger choil right over here. You can grip up nicely. There's no jimping going on, and yeah, I mean, nice milling lines, a deep carry pocket clip, nice springy tension. The screws are flat, so they're not gonna snag any of your fabric. Very cool, thin stock, flat grind. This kind of like sheep's foot, kind of like and belly here. Oof. This thing can cut for sure. It's a very, very well made knife, especially for the price. Inset liners made of steel. I believe that's steel or that's titanium, I don't know. But they are nested and they are not going all the way down. So just keep that in mind. But the action, it's like super fidgety and very, very snappy. Let's quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's not that heavy. So weight is pretty well contained. Of course, G10, not fully inset liners, 3.75 ounces in the pocket. It's gonna be the weight you're gonna have to carry when sporting this fella. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And if you wanna know more, check my full-length review. Stay tuned.